This is our first cookout of the year. Oh my god, the backyard's so smoky. We're getting up the temperature. Hello.
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 Oh my god, hi.
Oh my god, hey. Don't forget the handles hot. Very nice.
We gotta taste them first just to see how.
Beautiful, my son. Macaroni and cheese on the grill.
Hell yeah.
He said everything is being cooked on the grill. You can send it out over there. What's the chef thing?
Could you grab me brown sugar?
Hell yeah.
Just the container of it should be just a heaping tablespoon of brown sugar.
Helps the medicine go down.
Helps the baked beans go down. Somebody who
Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, and then we'll... I'm so excited, Jennifer. You ever eat more than that? Love you too, Misha.
Yeah, let me do my job. Sorry.
What the hell? You ever got a drink? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Next up is s'mores.
I was like, were you Mormon?
Not recently.
As far as I know. S'mores whores.
S'mores.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be like this.
This grill was free. Honestly.
It'll be hot more. Get a shot.
Need to run to Becky's soon.
Of course. We won't take the Prius.
It's fair.
Take the Nissan. I mean, I can't say Taco dying and all of that. I have medical debt for him still, yeah. And care credit is a paid entire amount, which is like $6,000.
Honey, it's hot.
Somebody yesterday.
So, I mean, it's like
Middle.
I think Jennifer just put that.
Oh, sorry.
and everything like that. And so she
Super
looked at me and
melted,
said, it's ready.
Same girl.
Got it.
Take off the two.
Mhm.
Not. I don't know. Jennifer, did you just put that one in?
Get the middle, or the middle.
Okay, yeah, there you go. Thank you.
You're welcome, of course.
Is that one mine?
Yes. Or no.
The one that's in there.
Beautiful
Oh my
close up.
God.
Oh my god, that's beautiful. My turn.
Stunning.
Good.
I wanted to be a shampoo so bad I couldn't stand it.
No, I got a sweet house.
When?
2 years ago.